Hi everyone. So I understand that not everybody wants to or can afford to pay a lot of money for an eyeshadow palette. You might love the palette, you might love the colors, but the price is just too high. So I have some dupes for you. Alter Ego, it's a company that does sort of dupes for high-end eyeshadow palettes. Send me a few of their palettes, and one of them looks just like the Huda Rose Quartz. So this is Rose Quartz from Huda, and this is Alter Ego Coastal palette. As you can see, the eyeshadows look identical, they are just in different places. So they are splayed out a bit differently, but they look almost identical. So I thought I will do today one eye with the Coastal and one with the Rose Quartz. Let me show you other palettes that they've sent me. So I also have the Lasta palette, which looks to me just like Pat McGrath Divine Rose 1, the Mothership 7. And I actually have that palette, so maybe I could compare these two as well one day. Then I have Goddess, which looks to me like Natasha Denona's gold palette, which I don't have. Then we have Canyon, which looks like Natasha Denona Sunset. Looks just like Sunset. I don't have that one either. And Shadow Kiss, which I think meant to look like the Glam palette. You know, the cool palette. I don't think it looks exactly like it. This reminds me a bit of Natasha Denona's Glam palette or a Lorac Pro palette. So I am not sure. I have to compare this one to the Glam. These palettes retail anything between $18 to $24, I think, and they ship almost everywhere. So I am very excited to compare these two today. I will do the Coastal on this eye and Huda Beauty on this eye. So I think I will do a look with these three, more of a neutral brownie one. I'm not gonna do any of the pink ones, but I will maybe swatch and compare these other shadows for you. So in here, that row is here, the corresponding row. I just really want to see how these perform. So I will use different, well, the same brushes, but obviously clean for each eye. So I will start with Rifa 01, and in the Coastal palette I am going to go into Shallow. And apply it in my crease. Nice pigmentation, and they seem to be blending really nicely. Let me now take another 01, and the equivalent in Huda Beauties is Gratitude. Let's try this on this eye. They look identical. Maybe Huda is slightly more pigmented, but not worth noting. Must remember not to mix my brushes. Here they're blending really, really nicely. I think if I had my eyes closed, well, I wouldn't be able to do my makeup, but you know what I mean. I wouldn't know that there is a difference. Now I will take Hulu P66 and I will go into Cocoa in Coastal palette. The most important thing is how the mattes perform, because shimmers usually look good for any price, but mattes are a bit more difficult to make good. That is lovely. That is blending really nicely. And in the Huda Beauty, I will go into Aura, because that's the equivalent of that one. I must say Aura looks slightly lighter. Well, I would say that the Coastal palette, the Cocoa, is more saturated, I think, than Aura in Huda palette. But when it comes to color, pretty identical. Rifa 15 just to blend the edges. Well, to me, they look identical. And now on my lid, I'm going to apply from the Coastal palette Glow. I do it with Natasha Denona brush 11. Ooh, it's very, very soft. Okay, so it doesn't have a real pop. We will wet the brush in a minute, but let me just compare it to Quartz, which is the equivalent of that Glow. Perform exactly the same. This one is not very poppy, you have to build it up. But let's now wet the brushes and use that eyeshadow again and see if they perform the same wet. So this is from the Coastal palette. Yeah, you get much better payoff. And now let's do the Huda. I would say they perform the same. Wet and dry. I would say this eyeshadow, Huda, has a bit more of a gold undertone because it's a bit of a two-tone eyeshadow, whereas the Glow is a bit more rose goldy. But you have to really look close to see the difference. Okay, I'm going to build up the outer corners now with Cocoa from Coastal and Aura from Huda Beauty. I feel like this eyeshadow is better in the Aura than in Huda Beauty. This one is not as pigmented as the Alter Ego one. Okay, maybe I should do something lighter in the corner. Maybe I go from the Coastal with Shore, which the equivalent in Huda is Self Love. That's a lovely eyeshadow. This one has a bit more of a pinky undertone. They look exactly the same. Wouldn't know the difference. Okay, let me do now my bottom lash. I will use Shallow from Coastal and Gratitude from Huda. So I'm not using any new eyeshadows, so you already know how they perform. I'm going to take Shore from the Coastal palette and just do the lower inner corner, and then Quartz from the Huda. Done the wrong one, Self-Love. And maybe I will take a bit of the Cocoa from the Coastal, just go on the outer corner, and then Aura from Huda. Okay, so that's the finished look. I think it just looks identical. I couldn't tell. Have a look close up. Now let me just put the mascara on and I will be back. So this is the finished look. Absolutely love it. I had no fallout from both of them. So the cheaper one didn't have any fallout either. It was very easy to work with, blended beautifully. I am quite gobsmacked. So let me swatch some of the eyeshadows that we haven't used. So for example, I want to see the Huda's Cosmic Love, this gorgeous duochrome eyeshadow, which in Coastal is called Ripple. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is the Coastal one, this is Huda. The Huda is definitely nicer. It's richer, it's more saturated. This one from Coastal is a bit more see-through, so it's not as intense as the Huda. Okay, let's try another one. What about this gorgeous duochrome, which is called Moon Magic from Huda? And the equivalent here, they are so similar that it's very easy, even though they are in different places, it's so easy to pick up the equivalent. In Coastal, this is Sparkle, this one here. Now, so this is Sparkle from the Coastal, and this is Moon Magic from Huda. To me, they look, it doesn't pick up, it's got like a real lavender shift. There's blue lavender. They look pretty identical. Let's do Jellyfish. And the equivalent will be Cherished. So this side will be always the Coastal, this will be Huda. So these look very, very similar. I would say that the one from Coastal had a bit better coverage. Okay, let's do Shell from Coastal. I am doing 2 passes. And then Happiness from Huda. So this one is a bit more pigmented. Huda one is more pigmented than this one. Yeah, even if I put a third pass, you can see the Huda is a bit more pigmented, but the color is the same. Let's do now Breeze, which is the very cool mauve. And that would be Serenity from Huda. Okay, so here are another 2 dupes. So this is the Coastal, this is Huda. Again, I can tell Huda is a bit more saturated. But you see, doing it, let me check that one that I used on my eye, and I said that the Coastal was more saturated, the Cocoa. See if this is true when you swatch it on your hand. Well, on my hand, they look exactly the same, and the same pigmentation and saturation. I would say, so you can't really rely so much on the hand swatches because they will always perform slightly different on your eye. But you can be sure that when it comes to performance, they perform very, very similar, if not the same. And obviously look exactly the same. Okay, what else shall I swatch for you? Let's do the Abyss. And that would be Empowered. Okay, so this is Coastal, this is Huda. Similar, I would say that Huda is a bit more, has a bit more black in it than that one. It's sort of black with a purple shift. I would say this one is a bit less black, but it's hard to see because depending how you move your hand, they shift the color. Okay, let's do some of these sparkles. Okay, Starfish, which is gorgeous peach color, and that would be Joy. Well, this is Starfish, this is Joy from Huda. I would say this applied much nicer, was more battery than the Huda, but the colors are exactly the same. What about Blissful? Another shimmery one, very battery, the shimmers. And then, so that was Sand. So this one, what is the, oh, that will be Energized. I would say the Coastal is slightly darker. The Huda is a nice real taupe, but I doubt you would see the difference on the eye. Should we do one more? Let's do this cool brown Urchin from Beautiful and Precious. Again, look identical. When it comes to packaging, obviously from Alter Ego you get just a cardboard packaging, but still really nice, very steady, and you also get a mirror in here. So that's quite good, whereas Huda is quite heavy plastic, beautiful packaging again, and you get mirror as well. I am very, very impressed by this palette. I mean, the colors are identical. Yes, if you swatch it and really scrutinize them, some have slight differences, but when it comes to pigmentation and performance, I can't see much difference. So if you've always wanted the Huda Rose Quartz palette, because it is expensive, and you always thought, I'd love it, but it is a bit too expensive, this one is $20. And very often they have sales on as well, so you can get this one. I've seen it before for $15. So have a look. I will leave you the link to the website, and maybe I will do a couple more looks with the other palettes, because I have a couple of those palettes, the originals, and we'll see how they compare. Especially I would love to see how the Pat McGrath compares, because Pat McGrath palettes are so expensive. So I would love to see how these ones compare. Let me know if you would like to see that sort of video, but for now that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.